After reading the article on extreme storms, I couldn't help but think about my uncle and my aunt's beautiful vacation home in Siesta Key, Florida. Extreme storms are extreme storms are already common there, and after almost losing the entire house to Irma, this article drew me in. The obvious threat is hurricanes. With their strong winds, immense flooding, and overall carnage, hurricanes are no joke. Florida already is a very vulnerable spot for hurricanes, but the Keys are even worse. Just like the Bahamas or any other island down in the very warm tropics. Hurricanes build up most of their power there over the warm oceans, and with no large landmass to stop them, those islands in the Keys take the worst of it besides at landfall. The true environmental change in the tropics is not felt as strong compared to the northern and southern hemispheres. At the equator, the biggest impact is the strength of the extreme storms and the frequency. Now, of course, even then, climate change may not impact the frequency, but surely the severity. In the Keys and other tropic islands around the same region, this is the biggest environmental change. Millions of dollars worth of damage are done after each and every storm, and it's the community that needs to come together to help each other out when they are hit with these awful storms. From rebuilding to the cleanup effort and even prevention, community needs, communities need to come together to figure out a way that they will combat against the damages of these deadly storms. At the end of the day, Siesta Key and all the other keys can only prepare for what's coming, and the obvious big problem that needs to be combated is the rising climate.